Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Shift Architect tutorial how to group object. So as example, I will insert object, and if you want to group these all objects, we can use the layer tools. Go to active layer display, right click and create new layer. So in here I will set default new layer, click OK, and the next you can go tools, layer settings, click on the layer painter. You can scroll down, searching for your new layer. So we use this new layer and click OK. Now you can select the object to add into the new layer. Press Escape button to close, and if you uncheck in this new layer, it will be automatically hide, like this. Now you can select the layer, the objects, and if you want to select all, you can right click and then you can choose find objects on layer. Click select and it will be select all objects in layer. Okay, that's it for basic Shift Architect tutorial how to group objects. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.